Today we will learn the following concepts related to comparison of quantities. This box contains 18 red balls and 6 white balls. If you are asked to compare their numbers, then how would you do it? To compare these, we can say that the number of red balls is more than the number of white balls. But such statements do not give us a sense of numbers in such a way that here number of red balls is 18 minus 6 is equal to 12 more than the number of white balls. Similarly, we can also compare them by division, such as number of red balls divided by number of white balls. We can also write this as 18 divided by 6, from which we get 3 divided by 1 as a fraction. This tells us that the number of red balls is 3 times the number of white balls. Comparison of two quantities as how many times is called as ratio. In this way, we can say that the ratio of number of red balls to number of white balls is equal to 3:1, which means there are 3 red balls compared to 1 white ball. Like the ratio, we can also compare it in a percentage. Like here, we see that total balls are 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. In 24, 18 are red balls. In this way, we can say that in box, red balls are 18 divided by 24 parts of total balls. That is, in box, red balls are 18 divided by 24 multiplied by 100% is equal to 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 100% is equal to 75%. Similarly, we see that there are 6 white balls in 24 balls. That is, white balls are 6 divided by 24 multiplied by 100% is equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 100% is equal to 25%. Keep in mind that in both situations, we have used the unitary method. Remember that this percent sign represents a percentage, that is 1 divided by 100. In this way, when we say 100%, it means 100 multiplied by 1 divided by 100 is equal to 1. So, there is no change in the value of the number and we can express the number in percentage. It is not necessary that we must know the numbers to express in percentage. But we can also get the percentage with the help of ratio. For example, here the ratio of number of red balls to the number of white balls is 3:1. From this, we get to know that in every 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 balls, there are 3 red balls and 1 white ball. In this way, we can say that in the box, red balls are 3 by 4 multiplied by 100% is equal to 75%. And the box contains 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 100% is equal to 25% white balls. We can also do this in another way. Since the box contains 75% red balls, that's why the box contains 100% minus 75% is equal to 25% white balls. In this way, we have obtained a percentage from ratio. Now, we can compare that in the box, there are 75% red balls and 25% white balls. Let's know about percentage increase and percentage decrease. In the box, there are total 24 balls. After putting some white balls, the total number of balls increased to 36. In this way, the total number of balls increased by 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. That is, 12 extra balls were kept. Since the original number has increased, so we will take the original number as base. Thus, the percentage increase will be increase divided by original number multiplied by 100%. Here, 12 divided by 24 multiplied by 100% is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 100% is equal to 50%. This tells us that the total number of balls has increased by 50%. Now, out of total 24 balls in the box, we have removed 6 red balls. So now, the total number of balls is 18. That is, now the number of balls has decreased by 6 balls. In this way, we can say that the percentage decrease in the number of balls is 6 divided by 24 multiplied by 100% is equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 100% is equal to 25%. Sometimes we need to guess a rough percentage. Under such circumstances, understanding of estimation helps us. We will understand this in the next video. Today we have learned the following concepts related to comparison of quantities. Today we will learn estimation of percentage. Let's know how estimation in percentage is done. Suppose we have to find 9% of 451.23. Let's solve this by estimation. We will round off 451.23 to the nearest tens. Here, 451.23 is closer to 450 as compared to 460. So, we will write 450 on the place of this number. Since we have to find 9%, so we can do 450 multiplied by 9 by 100. But this can be done in an easier way. First, we will find 10% of 450. 10% of 450 is 45. Similarly, we will get 1% of 450, which will be 4.50, that is 4.5. Now, we will subtract 4.5 from 45. So, we will get 9% of 450, that is 40.5. Therefore, 9% of 451.23 is about 40.5. Now, can you find 25% of 358.3? Stop the video and try to find out. Let me tell you, the approximate nearest tens of 358.3 is 360. 25% means 25 by 100, that is 1 by 4. In this way, 25% of 360 means the fourth part of 360, that is 360 divided by 4, that is 90. So today we have learned estimation of percentage. In the next video, we will see some examples related to comparison of quantities. Today we will see examples of the following concepts. In a basket, bananas and pomegranates are in the ratio of 3:5. Find out what is the percentage of bananas and pomegranates in the basket. It is given that the ratio of number of bananas to the number of pomegranates is 3:5. Can you tell what this means? Think. Absolutely right. Here there are 3 bananas compared to each 5 pomegranates. In this way, we say that there are 5 pomegranates and 3 bananas compared to every 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 fruits. In this way, the percentage of bananas in 8 fruits is 3 by 8 multiplied by 100% is equal to 37.5%, and percentage of pomegranates in 8 fruits is 5 by 8 multiplied by 100% is equal to 62.5%. We can also get the percentage of pomegranate by subtracting the percentage of bananas from 100%. That is, the percentage of pomegranate is equal to 100% minus 37.5% is equal to 62.5%. Next example. There are total 120 students in the 6th standard of a school. From these, 50% students come to school by auto rickshaw, 30% students come to school by bicycle, and the remaining students come to school by school bus. Find out what percentage of students come to school by school bus. We have to find the number of students coming by school bus. Can you tell how we can do this? Think. We can find it by different methods. Like here, we can see that 50% of the students come to school by auto rickshaw, 30% of students come to school by bicycle, and remaining students, that is 100% minus 50% plus 30%, which is equal to 100% minus 80% is equal to 20% of students come to school by school bus. In this way, the number of students coming to school by bus is equal to 20% of 120, that is equal to 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 120 is equal to 24. Next example. Mixture of milk and water contains 15% of water. Estimate the approximate amount of water in the 29.650 liter mixture. Here, by estimation, we can solve this question in less time. First, let's understand the question. Mixture of milk and water contains 15% of water. In this way, in total 29.650 liter mixture, water will be 15% of 29.650 liter, that is 15% multiplied by 29.650 liter. First of all, we will do the nearest approximation of 29.650 liter, that will be 30 liter. In this way, the amount of water will be 15% of 30 liter. We can write this as 10% plus 5% multiplied by 30 liter. That is 10% multiplied by 30 liter plus 5% multiplied by 30 liter. Now, we will find out 10% of 30, that will be 3 liter. If we do half of this, we will get 5% of 30. 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 1.5 liter. Now, we will add both. 3 liter plus 1.5 liter is equal to 4.5 liter. That is, the amount of water will be about 4.5 liter. Today we saw examples of the following concepts. In the next video, we will see some misconceptions related to this. Today we will see misconceptions and some mistakes related to following concepts. Misconception 1. Which of the following numbers has a value of 38%. Some children cannot understand the sign of percent. They think that percent means 100 and 38% means 38 multiplied by 100. With this understanding, they give answer as option 1, which is a wrong answer. Always remember that percent means 1 by 100, therefore 38% is equal to 38 divided by 100, so option 2 is the right answer. Misconception 2. In a bag of 15 fruits, there are 5 mangoes and rest are chikus. Find the ratio of number of mangoes to the number of chikus. Some children can't understand the given information and ignore what is to be finded. They see number 15 and 5 in the question and in option 1 and think that option 1 is the right answer. That's why they choose option 1, which is a wrong answer. We should read questions properly and understand what is given and what is to be found. Only then we will be able to answer correctly. Here 15 is the total number of fruits, from which 5 are mangoes. We can say that in bag the number of chikus is 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. In this way, the ratio of number of mangoes to the number of chikus is 5:10. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. Misconception 3. If 4 by 3% of a number is 24, then what is that number? To find an unknown number, children ignore the percent sign and multiply 4 by 3 with 24, from which they get answer 32. But this is a wrong answer. Therefore, option 1 is wrong answer. This mistake happens because of not understanding the question properly. Here, we have to find out the number whose 4 by 3% is 24. Suppose the unknown number is x, then we can say that 4 by 3% of x is equal to 24. Since the meaning of percent is 1 by 100, that's why we can write 4 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 100 multiplied by x is equal to 24. This can be written as x is equal to 24 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 3 by 4 is equal to 6 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 3 is equal to 1800. In this way, we get the value of unknown number as 1800. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. Now, let's know some mistakes related to percentage increase and percentage decrease. Mistake 1. Some children think that percentage increase can never exceed 100%. But this is a wrong understanding. Suppose a shopkeeper gets 3 rupees after spending 1 rupee, then his profit will be 2 rupees and profit percentage will be 2 divided by 1 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200%. Mistake 2. If there is a decrease of 25% in 100, then the answer is 75. Due to this, children assume that to get 100, they have to increase 75 by 25%. But this is the wrong understanding. The correct answer is that if there is a decrease of 25% in 100, the answer is definitely 75. But when there is an increase of 25% in 75, the result is 75 plus 25% of 75 is equal to 75 plus 25 by 100 multiplied by 75 is equal to 75 plus 18.75 is equal to 93.75. The result is not 100. Mistake 3. If there is a 20% decrease in 100, then the result is 80. Due to this, misconception arises in children that 20% increase will be necessary to obtain 100 from 80. But this is a wrong understanding. Here, To get 100 from 80, an increase of 20 is necessary. But here, the base will be 80 because the increase is in 80. Therefore, percentage increase will be 20 divided by 80 multiplied by 100 is equal to 25%. Today we saw misconceptions and some mistakes related to following concepts.